everybody, welcome back to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. I'd like to thank all our subscribers, both new and old, for joining us again. Today's theme, we're looking at refreshing summer cocktails. And we, in the back of our mind, traveled a little bit, and we're going to the coast, the Amalfi coast of Italy. The city of Amalfi is one of Italy's first 4 maritime cities. So we figured, what better place to find a drunken sailor? But Amalfi is not only a seaport, it's also known for another item, and that is the Amalfi lemon. That lemon is used to make one of Italy's favorite liqueurs, Limoncello. Limoncello also happens to be one of the main ingredients in today's cocktail. So I'm just going to shut up and we're going to start pouring. We're going to start with our goblet, and we're going to put a little bit of ice in the bottom of it. Next, we're going to take a lemon slice, and that is going to go right along the side of the glass. Just going to kind of wedge that inside there, and we're going to put a little bit more ice in there. Next, we're going to put in 2 ounces of that Italian favorite, Limoncello. And that goes in the glass. Next, we are going to use one of my wife's favorites, Prosecco, 3 ounces. And then we're going to finish that up with some sparkling water. And that, we're going to put 1 ounce. That gets topped on it. We're going to give it a real quick stir. And that is today's cocktail, and it's called Limoncello Spritz. Chin chin. Oh, wait, I don't get...
I love limoncello. That's wonderful.
It's a hot day, it's refreshing. Enjoy, folks.
Chin chin.